Hey there, perfect people. Matthew Barbie, your favorite guy. I'm going to show you another great feature of all the perfect apps, how you can change a recipe photo to be your very own. So you see here I've made a variation of the Manhattan Rye. So I've got the Manhattan Rye, got my version, the Manhattan PDX. It's a little drier. Thought it'd be funny to garnish it with an umbrella because, you know, it rains in PDX. Come on, if you've been here, you know what I'm talking about. So you see here, here's my version, here's the original, exact same photo. But I fancy myself a bit of an amateur photographer, so I'd like to take a photo of my cocktail so it can represent my own recipe. I just select the recipe, then I come up here and I hit my little pencil icon, hit edit. That'll come up to our wonderful edit screen. Now in the lower left hand corner you see this little hamburger menu. I hit that button, I select take recipe photo. This will bring up your camera. So then you just set it up real nice, put this over here, just line up a pretty shot of my cocktail. There it is, and snap. Now we take this, we can reframe, get a nice little composition going. Once you're happy, hit use photo. Then you can save the recipe. Recipe is saved, fantastic. Go back, and you'll see the recipe photo is changed. Now I go back here, now you see the two variations, the original, my version, the original photo, and my photo. So go out, take your own photographs, have some fun with your recipes. Hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know at makeitperfectly.com. And as always, have a perfect day.